everyone, Gabby here, and for this week we are doing something fun, something in a box. What could this be? If you did not know, I am Vocaloid obsessed. My first cosplay was Rin Kagami and I made it when I was like 12. Very much have a strong Vocaloid attachment. So when Project SEKAI came out, I was like, wow, they made a game about people getting taught by the Vocaloids to be magical music people. Like I love. And so my favorite character is Kohane in Vivid Bad Squad. I will insert a picture of her here. You'll see immediately why I love her. She is small, soft, blonde baby, and I love her. Today we are unboxing my Kohane cosplay from CG Cosplay. I will say CG Cosplay, they're good, but recently they did me a little dirty. We're not going to talk about it because it was traumatic, but I have some concerns now, so we're gonna crack into it, and I'm, as always, giving you my 100% honest opinion. I will tell you if this cosplay is worth it or not. But before I use my big, scary, dangerous scissors to open this big box, make sure you hit the subscribe button. That's right down there. Just hit it. It'll make my day. We're so close to 1K, and I know once I hit 1K, I'll be so happy. So just do it for me. Make my day. So let's just get into it. Also, I don't know why they do this. Like, so I use bhiner as my shipping service in case you were wondering. They always wrap the box in like a bag. I don't know why they do that. It kind of confuses me. So let's figure out how we're opening her. So let me know, have you played Project SEKAI? Who's your favorite group? I do also love Wonderland Showtime because they're hilarious. I love a goob. Oh, here we go, here we go. Here's our little package. We're gonna start with the wig. So they had the option where you could buy the wig with the cosplay, or you could just buy the cosplay. I decided to try the wig with the cosplay to see what I thought, because I'm a little picky with wigs. Even though I'm bad at wigs, I care about them. Now let's see what I think of this one. Get you a little up close and personal with her. I think the color is really good for her actually, because I didn't want it to be like too bright blonde was my concern, because her hair is more like an ash blonde, not really like a true blonde or a platinum or anything. Oh my god, there we go. I hate these nets. Like, I love them, but they get everywhere. So here she is. So the back isn't how I would do the pigtails, honestly, but we'll let that be. Then we have the front, which obviously the bangs need to be trimmed, and then the long front pieces. And here is the inside of the cap, which I do like that it has the front comb. As you can see, there's the comb which will go into your head. I like when they have that because it keeps the wig a little more secure. I do like the color a lot. I think it looks nice on camera. I'm very excited for her. She's soft. Very soft. I don't super love how they did the splitting of the pigtails in the back, but it looked good. It looked good. I'm not angry, is what I'm saying. Like, it's good. It's what I expected, okay? I will say, the main reason I ordered her is not only because I want to cosplay her, but her birthday is coming up. I don't know if I'm posting this video before, after, or on her birthday, but happy birthday, baby. Let's get into the fit. I have to start with the jacket. I'm sorry, it's my favorite part, is this pink varsity big jacket. Oh my god. That's so cute. I'm sorry. I need to put it on. It's so cute. Oh my god, it fits perfectly. This is very rare for me, because usually things with sleeves are too long for me, but like, it's actually the right length for my arms. That's very rare that happens. But it is this pink varsity jacket with the pearl button, and then, wait, Isn't this supposed to close, or am I imagining this? Y'all, I'm done. The pockets are real. Y'all, they're real pockets. They're real pockets. Thank you. This fits perfectly. I'm sorry. The shirt, the jacket fits perfectly. I feel like this is supposed to be able to close though, but c'est la vie. Then we have her good old smile shirt. Oh, this is an interesting material. Okay. So I'm not gonna lie. This shirt does smell a little. Not smell bad, but like, you know when you order like a cosplay and it kind of has the new cosplay smell of the travel it has been on? That's what this smells like. Like she's been on a trip. I don't super love the material of this. Like it's stretchy, but it's almost like swimsuit material, if that makes sense. But it cute. They did spell smile correctly. Isn't it? Yeah, that is spelled correctly. That would have been embarrassing. It's because I'm looking at the viewfinder and everything's flipped. So I was like, did they spell that right? But I don't super love the material of this, but it is just like a big baggy shirt, and they did put some elastic on the bottom so it'll sit. It does look like it's gonna be really big on me, I'm not gonna lie. It's a little concerning, but we'll see when we try it on. I'm keeping this jacket on, I'm sorry. I'm sorry if anyone's bothered by it, but I'm obsessed. Then we have the skirt, which low-key, I accepted that if the skirt that came with it didn't work for me. I literally have a denim skirt that looks just like this. But they actually made this like a real skirt. Wow, I'm actually impressed, kind of. So, here's her little skirt. Little black button. It's like an A-line kind of pencil skirt with the belt loops. And then let's see how our zipper is, because that's always a concern. Okay, the zipper does work. It's a little stiff. And like I said, I have other skirts that are similar to this. So if I don't like how this looks on, I'm just gonna use one of those. But I'm not mad at it. I just don't think it feels that great. Like it's pretty thin is what I'm saying. Like, and there's some threads, but it is a little thinner than I would want. What's weird is like the top is insanely, like the jacket's perfect. The shirt is like that thick swimsuit material that I don't really like. And then this is thin. I would have wanted the skirt to be a thicker material and not the shirt. That's just a little odd to me, but we'll see. We'll see. Is this my hat? Oh, we love a sad cosplay hat. Oh, I'm so cool. Look at me. Why do they always make the brims of cosplay hats like unnecessarily big? Like, whose head is this for? Like, this fits me. The hat fits my head. But the brim of it is such an odd shape. Oh, we have accessories. We have this little necklace situation with the little heart charm. I'm coming up to show you. Which is cute. Do I wish it had some sort of clasp situation if you're just gonna give me cords? Yeah, but we accept. And then here's the belt, the angel belt. There was a split second where I was like, the holes on the belt I thought were stones and I was confused. So it is like an actual belt buckle. I'll show you. I do think it's nice. I don't think it's like stellar, which is weird because usually I have very positive things to say about CG, but I feel like, I don't know, I'd like a little bit more. But honestly, this is one of those like it's supposed to be like a thin cloth belt. Like it's not supposed to be something super structured, but I don't know, I would have liked a little more something. And then we have the last two things. A wig cap, because we bought a wig. And we have the socks, which these are like actually socks. Like sometimes cosplay socks are like thin, useless socks. This will actually stay on my leg. So I'm happy with the socks. All right, I think I'm gonna go try the official pieces on. I mean, I'm obsessed with the jacket already. The jacket's my favorite part of the whole cosplay. The shirt I'm concerned about. The skirt I'm concerned about. Not in terms of fit, more so just like how it's gonna look and feel on. because they're just really odd materials. Like, I think what they used to make the jacket is what the shirt should have been made of. Like, I wish you could feel this. It's like not like a thick material. It's breathable, it's soft, it's comfy. I like it. So I'm gonna go try pieces on and show you and give you my final thoughts. I'm not gonna put the wig on right now because I don't have time to style it, but there will potentially, hopefully soon, be a photo shoot happening, so fingers crossed. Oh, and then I'm sorry, I forgot that her hat she's cool and hip and wears it backwards, so I don't even need to care about how the brim is way too big for my head. But here is the cosplay on. It is very, very cute, but here's my thing. The material choices make it sit iffy, if you will. So because the shirt, the gray shirt, is that thick material, and you have to tuck it in the skirt because that's how she wears it, it's like making unnecessary lumpage under the skirt because the skirt's a thin material. Like, it is not conducive for how this is supposed to be worn. So, like, I'll show you. Like, I don't know if it's obvious on camera is the thing, but like, in my opinion, so wait, you can't even see where the shirt is. It stops like here on me. I might literally go throw on one of my actual denim skirts. So like, no, I'm not actually, that's effort. It's just odd that they did that. What I consider doing, I might shorten the top, is option 1. Option 2 is wear a different skirt, which is kind of a shame because the whole point of buying it is so you can wear the whole thing and hopefully not have to fully modify the materials, because you can't modify materials. I don't know, but the jacket, perfect. The hat, we love now that I realize I don't have to see how stupidly it sits. It's kind of great. But yeah, I would give this honestly like a 3 out of 5. Like, parts of it are good, but parts need improvement. Does that make sense? Like, it could be improved upon. I don't think this is like at the same caliber as like my Blue Rose Yukina or my Ayumu stage costume. This is just odd choices in materials that I'm confused by, because I feel like if you put this on a person, you would see that the shirt, 1, is too long, and 2, is going to sit weirdly under a thin material to skirt. Did they not have like, they've had a person try this on because there were stock photos of like a cosplayer wearing it. But like, I'm just confused if like either they didn't think it was an issue, or if it's just like because I'm short and like it sits that way on me. I don't know. Let me know what you think. But yeah, that is my overall review of my Kohane cosplay. Yeah. One day I'll get into full cosplay. It's just not going to be today because I'm having a bad breakout right now, and I'm hoping my makeup and lighting covers how bad it is. Thank you all so much for watching this week's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, yes, you, hit the subscribe button, it's free. Woo! In the comments, let me know who your favorite Project SEKAI character is. You can say a Vocaloid, you can say one of the bands, you could say an individual character. My other favorite is Saki, because if I insert a picture of her here, you'll understand immediately why she's my favorite, but I digress. Follow me over on Instagram and Twitter. You will see cosplay photos when I officially try her out, when I style the wig, and like I said, I'm thinking of doing a photo shoot pretty soon, either ideally around her birthday or after her birthday. It depends on things. Right now it's snowing, so who knows anymore. Thank you all again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! I feel like a little hamster. Just a little ham.